Hello friends, today's our topic is switchgear and protection practicals. So now here we start. See, so the practicals are total practicals are 16. So today we see the practical number 1, 2 and 3. First is use switchgear testing kit. Second is identify various switchgear in the laboratory and their specifications. Third is test HRC fuse by performing the load test. So now we start. See the first practical. Aim is that practical number 1, use switchgear testing switch. This is the aim of practical number 1. Use switchgear testing kit. Then the practical significance. Switchgear kit is specially designed to suit relay testing requirements of power station testing engineers and used for testing different types of power system relays. Second is relative program outcomes. POs. PO2 discipline knowledge. Apply electrical to solve broad based electrical engineering related problems. PO3 experiment and practice. Plan to perform experiments and practices to use the results to solve broad based electrical engineering problems. So, this is the practical significance and relevant program outcomes. Then, PO4 is also engineering tools. Apply relevant electrical technology and tools with an understanding of the limitations, competency, competency and skills. This practical is expected to develop the following skills for the industry: identified ions, identified competency, maintain switchgear and protection scheme used in electrical power systems, use various electrical switchgear, follow electrical safety practices. So the fourth point is relevant course outcomes. Identify various type of fault in power system. Practical outcomes. Use switchgear testing kit. Minimum theoretical background. Switchgear testing kit operates on the single phase. So 230 volt AC 50 Hz power supply and provides AC controllable test voltage and completely adjustable output current. So this is the resource requirement. First is switchgear. First box, first column, name of resources, then the specification and quantity. First is switchgear testing kit. Second is variable AC current. Third is variable AC voltage. Fourth is variable DC voltage. Fifth is timer and sixth is relay. So procedure to be followed. First is read manufacturer's instructions before using kit. Second, there should not be any loose connections. Third, ensure that the meter components have proper rating. Then the procedure. What is the procedure to perform this experiment? First is connect relay coil to current range selector. Switch on the main supply. Third is select current, adjust current range. Keep the timer open. Fourth is select AC/DC voltage source as per requirement. Fifth is after setting the current range, short the time terminals to automatically stop the current source. After testing of the relay for 2 to 3 times at various ranges, zero the current control knob, switch off the main supply. Then the practical number 2. Here see, this is the aim of practical number 2. Identify various switchgear in the laboratory and their specifications. So this is the practical number 2. This is the aim, then relevant program outcomes, then POs, relevant course outcome, and then the precautions. First is use ISI marks switch gears, use proper switching a cars for proper work. Then never use damaged switchgear, and the resources are name of resources. First is fuse, second is isolator, third is circuit breaker, fourth is relay, fifth is CT, sixth is PT, seventh is lightning arrestor, and eighth is earth switch. Then procedure, collect information about various switchgear equipment. Second, observe and identify various switchgear equipment. Then practical number 3 is aim is that test HRC fuse by performing the load test. Then relevant program outcomes, complement competency and skill we see in the practical number 1. Then relevant course outcomes, resource requirement, instrument subjects are first is HRC fuse, second is lamp bank and their range is 0 to 6 ampere. Then third is AC voltmeter, range is 0 to 300 volt. Then AC ammeter, and fifth is auto transformer. And the precautions, so precautions are there should not be any loose connections, ensure that proper rating of HRC fuse is selected, ensure the supply is off which replacing the fuse, follow electrical safety rule. So this is about the practical number 3. And the procedure, connections are made as per the circuit diagram. Switch on the supply and adjust rated load current. Third is ensure that supply is off while replacing the fuse. Fourth is plot the graph between current and time of operation. So this is the practical number 3. In the next video we see the practical number 4, 5, also the 6. So I hope you like this video. Thank you.